everyone, I'm Ndidi Nkwopara, and I'm the lead artist on this project, which is part of the Leeds 2023, coming up shortly, but we have started planning. And this is for the Africans in Leeds. We are the second largest ethnic group in Leeds, yet our culture is really underrepresented in the Leeds city landscape.
I'm Nana S.C. Casely Hayford, and I'm the facilitator of this creative expression for well-being session. I'm hoping that everyone will realise that they all have creativity in them, because it's my belief that every human being is a storyteller.
I found today's workshop very informative and enlightening. Things that you would ordinarily not sit down and think about. The workshops created the space for me to be able to think through what we've been asked to look at. So I found it very useful indeed.
I would say it's important because if we, for example, didn't know about each other's cultures, then we wouldn't exactly know as much about where others came from and how they act. And we wouldn't have known how, like she said, different cultures and just how people live, think, and how it is in their hometowns.
There's so many different cultures. The African continent is massive. I know that in Leeds alone there are 40 different African communities. So hopefully the legacy will be for people to be able to dip into each of the different cultures and perhaps pick something out of each one.
I think it would leave a good legacy for 2023 because even today, in the workshop today, I found out about some foods from Eritrea, Libya, Nigeria, Somalia, Sudan that I didn't know of before. So I can imagine that for 2023, there'll be a lot more of this.
It's not just to showcase our culture. Like I said, I'm looking forward to doing the research to know more and record it for history.